Good morning, y'all. Today I am saying about creative nonfiction. What is creative nonfiction? Creative nonfiction merges the boundaries between literary art, fiction, poetry, and research nonfiction. It is writing composed of the real or of facts that employs the same literary devices as fiction, such as setting, voice, tone, or character development, etc. This makes it more creative than standard nonfiction writing. Creative nonfiction should include accurate and well-researched information, hold the interest of the reader, and potentially blur the realms of fact and fiction in a pleasing literary style. In the end, creative nonfiction can be as experimental as fiction. It just needs to be based in the real. Content of creative nonfiction. It is important to clarify that the content of creative nonfiction does not necessarily have to come from the life or the experience of the writer. For the intents, the writer is using techniques from literary journalism to create a portrait of a person in review. The writer may choose to write a portrait of the interview through an omniscient perspective, meaning the writer would not be in the piece at all. On the other hand, non-fiction writers often choose about topics or people close to them. As long as the piece deals with something real or something based on the real, the writer is allowed to take the piece in any direction he or she wishes. At the same time, successfully creating nonfiction attempts to overlay fact with the traditional conceptions of dramatic structure while rendering meaning from an observed scene. A piece should suggest a beginning, middle, and end that clearly conveys the conflict and the characters and pushes the action towards some sort of closure. In the creative nonfiction, writers attempt to observe, record, and thus shape a moment from real life. In effect, creative nonfiction attempts to project a dramatic literary from work upon everyday existence, rendering it enjoyable, enlightening, and potentially meaningful. While writing creative nonfiction, writers should be well on sensory deals and show. A piece should never just tell the reader something or summarize. This is what research nonfiction does. Different types of creative nonfiction writings are: first one, the person essay. A piece of writing usually in the first person that focuses on a topic through the lens of a person experience, the narrator. Next, the memoir. A memoir is a longer piece of creative nonfiction that delves deep into a writer's personal experience. Next, the short. A short is a typically narrative work that is concise and to the point. Next, literary journalism. Literary journalism uses the techniques of journalism, such as interviews and reviews, in order to look outside of the straightforward objective world that journalism creates. The next one, the lyric essay. The lyric essay is similar to the person essay in that it also deals with a topic that affects the reader. However, the lyric essays relies heavily on description and imaginary. Examples of creative nonfiction: Outcast in Salt Lake City by James Weldon Johnson, Rural House by Susan Fenimore Cooper, An Experiment in Misery by Stephen Crane. Thank you all.